Hi, welcome to today's video. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് പോകുന്നത് റീസെന്റ് ആയിട്ട് ടെഫ് എക്സാം ക്ലിയർ ചെയ്ത ടെഫ് എക്സാമിന്റെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസസിനെ കുറിച്ചിട്ടാണ്. സോ വെൽക്കം. Bonjour monsieur.
Bonjour madame.
First of all, sir, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Sir, could you please explain how was your exam, especially in the atmosphere in the hall and all?
Yes. So the atmosphere is very good because whenever you reach there, you are going to meet different candidates who are coming to pass the exam also.
Okay.
And you are allowed to talk to them before the exam. And once you start the exam, you cannot talk to them again.
Okay.
And whenever you are doing each module of the exam, they will explain you. The examiner will explain you what you do or how to do it.
Okay.
And when you do the speaking, you and the examiner only will be there in the exam hall.
Okay.
And the other exams, the other modules are done on a computer.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Fine. So will our strategies and templates work?
Definitely they can work,
Okay.
but it needs some practice.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Thank you. So could you please explain the speaking questions?
So the speaking questions are very easy because the first thing you need to do is to sound natural
Okay.
in front of the examiner,
Okay.
because they will judge you on how you can express yourself. And in that exam there are two sections, A and B.
Okay.
In the first section, section A, which will last 5 minutes only,
Okay.
you will have the duty to ask different questions related to the topic which was been given by the examiner.
Okay.
And you will ask maximum 12 or 10 to 12 questions.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
And the examiner will answer you according to what you have asked. But they will judge you on how you can get much information from that. And the section B, you have to do is to speak to the examiner regarding any topic has given, and you have to convince them either to participate with you or to come with you in an event or any kind of competition you are taking part in.
Okay. Fine.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
So what was there for writings?
So for writing, two sections also are there.
Okay.
And one section is just a simple one, which you have to complete an article from the news.
Okay.
They will give a news article, and you have to complete it by making a short paragraph, not one paragraph.
Okay.
You have to make many paragraphs.
Okay.
It's just a text of 80 words,
Okay.
minimum 80 words,
Okay.
which means you can do 80 to 100 words.
Okay,
It's good.
Okay.
And what you have to do, you just to make different parts, different paragraphs
Okay.
of that text.
Okay.
And the section B, what you have to do, you have to write a letter
Okay.
to any house, like a newspaper house, and you have to agree or disagree on a statement that they have given,
Okay. Fine.
because what you have to do is to express yourself regarding on something somebody has said, and you have to be doing that through a letter.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah, the letter has to be 200 words
Okay.
minimum,
Okay.
which means you can do 220 or 230 words just to be sure. Yeah.
So finally, what are your suggestions to the students who are preparing for TEF Canada exam?
So the first thing I should suggest them is to know the format of the exam, to know how it's done, what they need to do, and how much time they need. The second thing is to be dedicated. You have to be dedicated to the language itself, because it's not something that you will just do once and leave it. It will be with you for the whole life.
Okay.
And the third thing is to have their learning strategy, which is very important.
Okay.
Everybody have their own kind of learning. So they have to have their own kind of strategy to learn,
Okay.
which is sufficient and good to them.
Okay.
And the next thing is to have a good foundation of French, to like it and to be dedicated to that. Yeah, that's all.
Sir, thank you for your valuable time. So TEF എക്സാമിന്റെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്ലാസ്സുകളെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയാൻ താഴെ കാണുന്ന നമ്പറിൽ കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്.